Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Spot of Organization. Hi, we are Little Spots of Organization, and it looks like you need our help. We are going to show you some ways to be organized. We would love you to help for us. I just don't know how this room got so messy. First, let's find some containers we can put these things into. We can start sorting them into piles of toys, games, cars, and blocks. Is this overwhelming? This is overwhelming. Where do we even start? When tackling a big project like this, it's good to break it into chunks. I separated this room into sections. That way it doesn't seem so overwhelming, and you can start with one section at a time. Another strategy is to play a song before it ends. Have all the items put in the section picked up and put back where they belong. Everything has a spot, and there's a spot for everything. Labeling color-coded bins is sure helpful in sorting and finding what you are looking for quickly. To reduce clutter, it's helpful to create piles of things you want to keep, donate, or trash. I know donating toys can be hard, but you are really helping a child that doesn't have any toys. This is a really kind thing to do. Garbage, stuffed animals, blocks. After a birthday, it is a great time to donate toys. It gives you a chance to go through toys you have outgrown, because now you are a year older. Do you remember when we were a baby and used to play with this toy all the time? Should we give it to another baby? Should we give it to another baby? That's a great idea. See, when you focus on one task at a time, it makes organizing so much easier. Wow, that went really fast. Look how amazing this room looks. See, everything has a spot, and there's a spot for everything. Did you know organizing actually grows your memory? It does this by training your brain to separate and categorize things. This can be used in reading. You have to keep track of many things at once while reading, like characters and even plots, events, and details. Let's look at some other ways you can be organized. Creating a routine will not only help you remember to do things like clean your room, it also helps you grow your responsibility spot and confidence spot. You can use these magnets instead of drawing spots into the boxes. Creating a to-do list is a great way to organize what you need to achieve, and it also gives you a strategy for getting things done. Writing down notes helps you remember things you might just forget. Just be sure to put these notes where you can see them easily. Now, every time you see the note, it reminds you to accomplish that task. I just love spot stickers. If you use one of these multicolored spots to color code the calendar, it'll be easier to see what each family member has going on in any day given. Anna, Ryan, this is Ryan, that's Anna, holiday birthdays. When you have to write a story, it can be challenging to come up with an idea. You can organize your thoughts by creating a story map, setting characters beginning, middle, and end. You can also use this story map to help understand a story you are reading. This can help you remember important elements of the story. Oh no, it looks like Scribble Spot needs some help organizing his emotions. If your emotions are feeling tangled, and anxiety, anger, or sadness are probably nearby, the first step in organizing your emotions is to identify what emotion you are feeling so you can manage it. Look, Scribble Spot was able to identify what feeling he was having and guide it to his peaceful spot. Woohoo! His emotions are organized now. Hopefully you were able to see how you can organize some aspects of your life From cleaning your room to managing your emotions, I can't wait to see what you can organize next. So for organizing worksheets, you can go to www.dannyalbert.com, or you could just... I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!